day, everyone. This is Forex with me live. Today, I quickly want to share with you another interesting and exciting, you know, um, indicator that we have already been used to, but we only need to learn how to make use of it. So, this indicator is very interesting. Now, it's one of those settings I've actually enjoyed using while trading. Now, I actually like this indicator because once you see the direction it gives to you, just take it. Without no doubt, you are going to make profit. So, what is this indicator? The indicator is Ichimoku. Now, in this very lesson, I'm going to call this Double Ichimoku because many times I make use of double setup of indicators to confirm entries and take trades according to their confirmations. All right, so this is a 15-minute chart and volatility 10 IS. Now, I am going to share with you this indicator actually can give you money whether in range or in trendy market. Just listen as I explain to you. Now, you can see the place where they are red. I don't need to tell you much. But once you see any place that are red like this, you place your sell. The red will start from here, probably this point, because as the indicator is breaking out, it's kind of giving you a cloud in front. So once you start seeing a push up of red, you take your trade, boom, see where you are at the end of the trade. So this is a very good indicator. So then you can see, let me zoom out. As you can see, you are seeing other colors that are faded in the bigger red color. This is double confirmation to tell you that yes, we are really selling. So if, for instance, you saw a buy here and there is a shadow cloud, this shows that you shouldn't take your trade yet until you see a very clear cloud. This is or clear candlesticks that has no cloud. You can see this place is very clear, no clouds at all. These are the ways you take your trades. These are the ways you take your trades. For instance, now this is also a cloud here. You don't need any trade here, but as soon as it breaks out, just check the previous point. You see, this is the previous resistance. You can take your trade and enjoy a few profits outside there. Look at this point too. Once it's inside the cloud, you don't take your trade. But once it's pulled out of the cloud, you take your trade and boom, that is it. So let's see. Look at here. We have market in the clouds, all in the clouds. This shows that the market is trying to retrace back. So at this point, you are looking. Sorry, I'll go back. At this point, this is it. At this point, you are kind of looking for a retest to trail this market back to the downside because we are selling. We are selling. So that is why you can see markets are now in the cloud. All these are not meant for sellers. They are meant for, let's say, short-term buyers and counter trend traders. So, but as soon as you see it out of the cloud, it breaks the blue cloud as well here. This is your perfect entry. See how you roll it down to this point and it gives you better pips. And if you miss that, you can even take this and you make your few trades based on previous rejection. So I'm not going to make this video very lengthy, just to show you how you can use this to make money, and that's all, because it's very simple. When you see a green, you buy, and when you see a red, you sell. No other indicator is needed, but you have to confirm with this other indicator, and that's the small Ichimoku. This is the bigger Ichimoku. The bigger Ichimoku tells you the main direction of the trend, while the smaller Ichimoku gives you signal to enter. Like I just mentioned, you can see now the bigger Ichimoku has already projected that we are selling. Now, what does the smaller ones does? It showed us where to enter. Like at this point, we should what enter our trade. At this point, we can enter our trade. At this point, we can enter our trades. So that's what it means. Then you want to close. Once the market touches the cloud, you close your trade. That means the trade has lost momentum. So as you can see, this one lost momentum here is it retested, and also it breaks the blue cloud here. So this is our entry signal just to take the trade. And once you take the trade, voila, see how much you are able to make in the market. And as it's retracing, you can see it still gives you an opportunity to sell more. As it retraces here, it gives you an opportunity to sell more. But your main entry actually starts from where the candle is outside the cloud. So that's what I want to tell you. So without no further ado, let's go into the settings. And please, before I do that, everyone that is watching, has listened or watched my previous videos, please do well to like and subscribe and comment. I'm always online to reply every comment, ask questions. I'm always online to answer you. Then I also have given out or I've prepared what we call sentiment indicator that helps you to understand what are the buyers and the sellers doing in the market using MT5 mobile or MT4. It also works there. So if you need that, it's not free. At a token, you get it, and you can DM me on my Telegram channel to get that. So let's show us the settings for this as it is. The first one is the 8, the 5, and the 20. You can take a screenshot of that and take your, what is it called? Take a screenshot of this and take your perfect screenshot. So the second one is 8, 5, and 200. As you can see, you can also take your entries, or your take note of this, and voila, this is how it becomes. So very simple. You don't need to stress yourself. I hope this message or this video has helped you, or previous video has actually helped you in your trading. Please share, like, comment, and testify to it. I'll see you more in the next video. Cheers.